What is going on, everybody? Welcome to another video, and in today's video we're going to be looking at my live trades. I'm going to be analyzing all of my trades from today, August 6th. Today I took 5 trades. My 5 trades were perfect, all of them profitable, 1 trade per prop from account, which led me to get 2 payouts right here. As you can see, this is a testimonials tab anybody can access, so you can see I got 2 payouts today, which put me as the 3rd best trader inside Phidias prop firm. So out of everyone going through Phidias, over 50,000 traders, I am the 3rd best trader with $89,000 of confirmed payouts. That being said, let's go over my trades for today. A couple things before we start the video. Number 1, you can see I traded for 38 minutes. I started trading pre-market and I traded all the way until 9:50. So that was 40 minutes of trading, maybe 45, only because I started recording a couple minutes after I took this trade. I forgot to record in the morning. I use quantical cap and I use the delta hedging from QQQ and the delta hedging from SPY to make all of my trading decisions. This is the only platform that makes sense when trading NASDAQ or S&P 500. We were pretty bullish that day, but I also knew that we have huge movements on the opening, and the price at the 710 was calling the opening. This is where these market makers and institutions, they will take profit. There was a very high chance that we would open, go down to the 710, get profits right here, maybe potentially go down to the 708. There's a lot of liquidity there, and then go all the way up. I took my first trade towards the 710. Let's see what happened. Of course, the market went 1 tick away from my take profit. I do have this thing called the 1 tick curse. Always 1 tick away from my take profit. Then when it went up again, and then after analyzing the market, I took my take profit down to $1,200, which was closer to the 710. It was 9:21, 9 minutes away from the opening, and then guess what happened? Boom! Again, 1 tick curse. Amazing. You see right here? 1 tick curse. Perfect. Didn't take me out on my take profit, and it was so quick I couldn't exit. So I just waited. In a couple of minutes, boom, I got out, made profit. I think it was $1,200. So trade number 1, account number 1, $1,200. Let's look at the next trade right here. Entered long. I was supposed to enter on the 710. I did have a plan B, which was leveraging at the 708. A lot of liquidity here. The market was most likely going to bounce here. So let's look at what happened. This trade went all the way down. Let me quickly explain what I did over here. On account number 2, I entered along at the 711. It was supposed to be at the 710. The market started going down until we reached the 708. This is where I leveraged account number 2. So I entered with 1 mini here and put another 2 minis here. The market went up, took a profit. But at the same time, I switched accounts, and then on account number 3, I also entered long right here with 1 mini. When the market went to 708, I was so confident in the quantical cap system that I leveraged my account number 2 here, and then I entered long on my account number 3 on the 708 right here. This is what happened. Let's analyze the video so you guys can see the results. I leveraged down here on account number 2, and I entered long on account number 3. See, boom. So that is account number 2 in profit, over $1,000 on account number 2. And as you can see, I noticed I was making $2,000 on that trade with 1 mini, and I closed account number 3 for a $2,000 profit. As you can see, account number 3, 2K profit. But then I decided to enter once again. I saw that the market did not go down, and I bought it in a worse position. I bought it at the 712 going to the 713. So I lost a really good position, but I did believe the market was very, very bullish going towards the 715. So I took that trade again. I would rather not lose an opportunity and have to leverage down the 710 than to miss out on a really good trade. So this is what I did. I entered long right here knowing that my plan B for this trade for account number 4 was going to be leveraging at the 710 or the 708, depending where I got my confirmation. That trade worked. Trade on account number 4 got me $836, and then I moved on to my next trade. Let's look at the next trade. Where is it? Oh, another long right here. So a lot of people would be looking at this huge movement and trying to sell the top. But once you have institutional indicators, you can see the price calling the market up. And I was right here at the 713, knowing that we could potentially go to the 715. And if we broke the 715 again, we could go to the 718. So my plan of being bullish throughout the rest of the day was working really well. Let's see how this played out. Oh, super close, one tick profit. But at the end of the day, boom, $900 profit, made money on my 5 accounts. This is it. I am officially a top prop firm trader in the United States. If you make over $85,000 in prop firm payouts, you are officially on the top 1% of traders in the United States. So if you want to learn how the top 1% of trader trades, trading prop firm is completely different than trading your own capital. So if you want to know my system, you have to click the link below, watch my course, and you will learn exactly how I identify my setups, where I enter the trades, how I leverage my trades, and where I should be taking profit.